Create a data input system from Telegram to Google Sheets like this. You can do it for free and it's very easy. Just send data from Telegram and it will go straight into Google Sheets like this. You can also request a report like this and the data will be sent to you on Telegram. You can create the format according to your needs, and most importantly, you don't need to pay for an AI subscription to make a system like this, guys. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Level Up ID channel. In this video, we will share with you how to create a free data input system from Telegram to Google Sheets. In the previous video, we already shared with you how to create a data input system from WhatsApp to Google Sheets. But there is a drawback, which is that the WhatsApp gateway is not free, and if we use the free one, its security definitely won't be as good, guys. And as a solution, you can try using Telegram because it already has a bot feature that we can use for free. In this video, we will make a data input system for daily financial reports from Telegram to Google Sheets together. If you also need a data input system like this, make sure you watch this video until the end. You can also directly download all the materials needed. The link is in the description, including how to download it. It's also in the description, guys. Without further ado, let's make the data input system from Telegram to Google Sheets. Okay friends, now we will go ahead and create the data input system from Telegram to Google Sheets. First, you need to download a script file for inputting data from Telegram to Google Sheets. The link is in the description. You can also watch the tutorial on how to download it. It's in the description. After you download it, extract the file right away. Right-click, select Extract All and choose Extract. Once it's extracted, let's minimize this for now. And now, please log into your Google Drive account. If you don't have a Google account yet, please create one and just log into Google Drive like this. After logging into Google Drive, the first thing we'll do is create a Google Sheets file. Just select New, then choose Google Sheets and select Blank Spreadsheet. After we've created the Google Sheets file, for example, let's name it Input Data, then just press Enter. After we've created the Google Sheets file, the second step is to create a Telegram bot that will later connect to this Google Sheets. To do this, just open your Telegram. Here we're using Telegram Web. If you're using your phone, that's fine too because the steps are the same, guys. After logging into Telegram, search for BotFather in the search bar. And please select BotFather. Make sure it's the one with the blue check mark below, guys. After you select BotFather, just choose Start. Then, to start creating a bot, select New Bot. Just click here. After that, give your bot a name. For example, JokoBot, then we just need to send it. Then here we will give it a username. For the username format, it must end with bot or an underscore like this, libot. For example, for the username, we name it JokoBotX86, JokoBots86bot. After that, we just need to send it again. And now we have successfully created the Telegram bot named JokoBotX86, JokoBots86bot. What we will need here is the token from this bot. After we create the bot, now we will start connecting this bot to the Google Sheet. The way to do it is to go back into Google Drive. After that, select New, choose More, and then select Google App Script. If something like this appears, just choose Create Script, guys. Once you're in here, give it a name. For example, Input Data, and just rename it. The next step, please open the script file that you extracted earlier. Just double-click it, then copy all of the script. Press Ctrl A, Ctrl C, then go back to Google Script. Press Ctrl A and just Ctrl V, guys. Scroll to the very top, then here you can save it. After that, here we will fill in the first thing, which is the token from the Telegram bot. Just replace these XXs with the Telegram bot token. Go back to Telegram. We just need to copy the token here. Right click to copy, then go to Google Script and just replace these XXXX with your Telegram bot token. Just press Ctrl V. After that, the second step is to fill in the sheet ID here. Go to Google Sheets, then click here, and this is your Google Sheets sheet ID. Just highlight it like this. Right click to copy, go back to Google Script and just copy and paste it here, guys. Third, we also need to enter the sheet name here. Go to Google Sheets, then we're going to rename the sheet. Right click, choose rename, then for example, let's name it input. Copy the name as well, highlight it like this. Right click and copy, then just press enter. After that, go back to Google Script, then just paste the name of the sheet from earlier. Just press Ctrl V because we've already copied it, guys. After we've entered these three things, which are the token, sheet ID, and also the sheet name, the next step here is you can edit the input data format. For this script, by default, we can use it to input up to 10 data entries. That is data 1, data 2, up to data 10. You can also adjust this to your preferences. For example, in this video, we will create it for the purpose of inputting daily expense data with a format like this. First, there's activity, then type, category, amount, and also account. So here, we only input 5 pieces of data. For data from 10 to 6, we will just delete them, guys. Just highlight them and delete them. If you need to input more than 10 data entries, you can just add them. Just copy data 1, data 2, up to as many as you want. Then here we will rename data 1 through data 5. The names should follow the format we have already made. Here we change the data names to activity, type, then category, amount, and also account. Including the column headers from data 1 to data 5, we will change them to match this format. For data 6 to data 10, we will just delete them. After that, here you can scroll down. Then look in the settings for the data format that will be input. Here we will give names. Data 1 will be activity, data 2 will be type. Adjust this to the format you want. You are free to create any format you like. For data 6 to data 10, just like before, we will also delete them. And because here we only input up to 5 data entries, so here we change the match length from 10 to 5. After that, scroll down again and look here for the data format. You can change the data format here. For example, we change data 1 to activity and just adjust it like before, guys. For data 6 through data 10, we will just delete them. After we adjust it to our needs, the next step is you can save it first. Then here, we will deploy it as a web app. The way to do it is just select deploy in the top right corner, choose new deployment. Then select settings here and choose web app. Then give it a name. For example, input data v1 for access, set it to anyone, and just select deploy. If something like this appears, just choose authorize access. Select advanced, choose go to input data, scroll down. Check here and select continue. After successfully deploying, just copy the web app URL, copy it here, and then select done. Then you enter the web app URL here. Just replace this XXX with the web app URL you copied earlier. After you copy it, just save it again. Then here, click on written, scroll all the way down and select set webhook, then just run it once. After the run is complete, you just need to open Telegram. Then here, just click on the bot you created earlier, then select start. Now here, you just need to type, for example, help and press enter. Then a command like this will appear. For example, if we want to see the input data format, just click on format, then the data format will be sent. We just need to copy this format. And now we will try to input the data. After that, we just need to send it to submit the data, guys. If there is a message saying lunch data Ketoprac has been successfully saved, thank you, it means our data has been input. You can check it in Google Sheets. And this is the data that we have successfully input. This is the input date, the input time, then this is the name of the person who input it, then the activity, the type, then the category, the amount and from which account. You can also add a header here to make it neater. We just need to insert it at the top. Then we just add the header, for example, date, then time. You can also adjust the format. For example, we can center it to make it neat and we'll give the header a color. For example, blue like this. Change the font color to white. Now we will try to input from the phone. We send it from the phone. You can see in Google Sheets, the data will go in directly like this, guys. For example, if we input again, we just need to send it. And the data will also go directly into Google Sheets. You just need to process this raw data into a report in Google Sheets. You can create an expense chart and also track your income. Adjust it according to your needs. Here, you can also request a report from Google Sheets. Here's how. We type /help. For example, if we want to choose history, just select history here. Then we will be sent the last 10 entries so you can check who made the input and what was entered into your Google Sheet. So you are free to create any input data format you want and decide how many data fields to use. Here, we happen to only use 5. And also for entering expense data like this, you can have a lot of data, 10 or even more than 10. You just need to adjust it according to your preferences. So that was our discussion about how to create a data input system from Telegram to Google Sheets for free. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum.